What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got another NASCAR diecast unboxing. Today we've only got 4 brand new NASCAR diecast to get into. 1/64 scale. We'll take them out one at a time. Let's get those packing peanuts out of the way. And first up, the Shane Van Gisbergen number 88 Red Bull Chevrolet for Trackhouse. Got the Connor Zilic about a week ago or two. So the SVG coming right out after. Really nice. Really excited for the Zilic. Now I'm super excited for this one. This one got to victory lane this season, so that's really, really cool. So next up, out of the box, we've got another 2025 Ryan Blaney, number 12, Menards Mustang for the 2025 season. Always a beaut every season. And whatever ends up being on the hood. Same with Austin Cindric. Menards, always good looking schemes. So this is the one we got here in this box. Blaney. Okay, and the last two are both raced versions. This first one, super cool. Kaden Honeyut, late model win. I'm thinking it was a North Wilkesboro win. Yep, North Wilkesboro. So this is really cool. We'll take it out of the box and show it off here in a second. Just because it's got a bunch of detail, a bunch of donuts there, even confetti on the back. But before that, we'll get into the last car in the box. And then we'll take this one out too, because this is another race winning diecast. The 2024 Roval win for Kyle Larson in the number 5, HendrickCars.com. A race I was at. I go to almost every Roval. Just missed those first few, of course, when Chase Elliott was winning them. And now every time I go, he gets spun out, or a caution happens, or some stupid crap. Anyways, Larson has been the winner for, I think, 2 of the Rovals that I've went to. And here's the most recent one. Let me get these 2 race winning cars out the box, and we're going to take a look up close real quick. All right, here we are. Super impressed with both. I'll save that one for a second. So here's the Larson. A change that Lionel just made was including the pink window nets on 1/64s too, so that's a good touch. So any Roval car, or wherever they decide to do it, will have that going forward, I believe. Got some confetti, got the playoff markings. Whoops, because at this race, he was still in the playoffs. So super cool. This was a round of 12 race that he got the win at. And then next up, the late model. Really cool. Kaden Honeyut, North Wilkesboro win. Got the donuts down the side. Somebody was using them up. Down this side, nothing crazy. And then just a little tiny patch of confetti there. I believe it's confetti. I would assume it's confetti. But there you have it. There's the 2 race winning cars there. Nice to get them out and take a tiny bit of a closer look. Then we'll bring in the other 2, Blaney and SVG. That about wraps up this unboxing and tiny review on those. Like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more. Check back for brand new NASCAR Diecast unboxing and videos. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for checking this one out.